What do you mean by acceptance? The definition of acceptance can be as simple as realization of the fact. That is called acceptance. But the funny part is, we normally don't accept the fact. So, in different words, I define acceptance as the gap between the facts and the assumptions. So, the assumptions could be our own expectations or our own achievements till date. So, if you see the difference between the fact as well as the imagination or the thoughts or the assumption or the expectations, that is called acceptance. The realization of this gap is called acceptance. The funny part is, we being literate, we don't understand that there is a gap and we try to resist this acceptance. But the best part is, the moment we realize that this is a fact and there is a gap, we start improving on ourselves. So, acceptance is the very first step of realization of what we are, where we are, and how we can move to the next step. If we assume कि हमें सब आता ही है और हम बिल्कुल सही कर रहे हैं, तो फिर हमें सुधार की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. जब तक हम वो चीज़ एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे, स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे कि हमें ये कमी है, तब तक हम आगे इम्प्रूव नहीं कर सकते हैं. और दिस इज़ अ नॉर्मल फिनोमेना. नोबडी इज़ परफेक्ट इन दिस वर्ल्ड. Me, you, anybody in this world, everybody is improving day by day, minute by minute, inch by inch, second by second. The point is to accept the fact that we are, as a part of journey, we are inside the journey, we are progressing every day. There is something which we need to achieve, there is something which we know, there is something which we don't know, and this ladder is continuously moving ahead. So acceptance, as I said, is the first step towards growth, because we realize where we are. Unless and until we realize कि हम क्या हैं, कहाँ हैं, तब तक हम आगे बढ़ नहीं सकते. So this particular concept which I learned very late in my life is tremendously helping literally everyone to understand where they are and to focus on their next step. If we assume that we know everything, the growth stops right there. So for everyone, this is my message to you, that start accepting the fact. Yes, don't judge yourself by whatever you are thinking. Have a third point, a third perspective to analyze your own actually level, right? If I say I'm good, I may be good, no worries about it. But good in what context? Good in what reference, right? So the reference has to be different from what we think. There should be a third point reference to analyze whatever we are doing is right or wrong, whatever we are doing, whatever we are knowing is up to the mark or not. So when we start thinking from that perspective, we start analyzing the potholes, the shortcomings which can help us grow further, because we'll be now filling the gaps. So mind it, I'm not telling to devalue yourself. I'm not telling you to moralize yourself that you don't know this. As a part of the journey, this is a regular phenomena. It is with everyone. Nobody can say that they have achieved the height of learning. Nobody can say that they know everything in this world. So as a part of the process, whatever you have learned so far, that's perfectly fine. Now keep checking at different levels, different stages, that what are the missing elements and what all you can add, so that you accept that fact and then you work towards it. That's simple. That is called acceptance. And if you apply this acceptance phenomena in yourself, in your growth, whether it is your personal life or professional life, whether it is in a business, especially in coaching business, I see a lot of people, they are like very high-headed that they know everything. I firmly accept that I don't know everything. Yes, there are people from whom I have learned. They were ahead of me, they taught me, and I'm sharing those knowledge and skills along with my own core expertise, my own learnings, my own experience to teach and guide other people as well. But that doesn't mean I know everything. So that acceptance should be there so that you keep on progressing each and every single day. That's it.